Hello guys, I am Mukhtar Joya, Chief Shorthand Trainer, Shaheen Shorthand System, English Shorthand Basic Level, Shaheen Test 1 of Unit 14, Dictation Speed 60 words per minute, Shorthand and Transcription total time 38 minutes. Ready, start. You are invited to carry out an inspection of the goods already you buy, and we know very well that you will not be disappointed if you purchase our products, which come with a full warranty. Full stop. The much respected former university professor, comma, who now practices as a broker in the city, comma, predicted that industrials would remain strong and should do very well for the next 3 weeks. Full stop. Women barristers have been heard to remark that the horsehair wigs which they are required to wear in court are too warm, comma, especially in hot weather, comma, and spoil a hairstyle too, exclamation. At the beginning of the month, some share prices on stock exchange throughout the world showed an altogether worthwhile gain. Full stop. This is because we practice only the best methods of manufacture, and the parts making up our wire trolleys are welded together for extra strength. Full stop. However, comma, he expects that the insurance market will not hold up, comma, and will tend to lose ground this week, comma, together with many property shares which were overpriced. Full stop. Dear sirs, comma, as you already know, comma, in all parts of the industry, freight costs have increased rapidly during the past few years. Full stop. You will not worried by the wheels on the supermarket trolleys locking, as sometimes happens with those made by other manufacturers. Full stop. I think it is a good idea to get up to date catalogs and leaflets as soon as possible about automatic heating systems for the new factory, which is to be built on the outskirts of the state. Full stop. We should also like your advice as to whether it will be worthwhile for us to take out insurance on the more expensive goods while they are in transit. Full stop. Our products are respected everywhere and we frequently export our goods to many countries throughout the world. Full stop. Sloppy coding leads to waste of time for the department's staff and in some excessive cases, lost data for staff managers. Full stop. He doubted whether the average person was familiar with the workings of the stock exchange, or made any inspection of share prices. Full stop. Both students are looking forward to their office experience and I am asking them to send you copies of the course details with their own current course grades. Full stop. Dear sirs, will you kindly let us have as soon as possible your best price for the hardware listed on the attached worksheet. Stop rating, please.